I was looking for handles on the internet, and all the handles I liked cost way too much, and I couldn't justify spending a few $100s on a handle. So I decided to make my own, and I'll just be satisfied with the end results. Now if you were to go purchase this piece of wood from the store, it would cost you around $6 to $8. The construction of this was very simple. I cut one piece of wood that was 40 inch in length, and then the other piece that was 1 inch in length. Then I rounded over the edge on the router. I tried to make this as simple and accurate as possible, so what I did was I took 2 pieces of small wood, cut those to the same length, and put those on the outer edge of the bar. Then I placed a piece of 1/4 inch ply within the spacing. Then I'll set the 2 spacers next to the outer wood and then put some scrap wood on the inside to pin those in place. Once the middle of the spacer have been found, I can then drill a hole all the way through the spacer, the plywood, and also into the bar. Then I remove the plywood, which will be used as a template for mounting the bar later. Next, install a threaded nut into the wooden bar. Apply wood glue and attach a small piece of wood. You can clamp it down, but this may shift, so I think the best thing to do is to use the screw and screw it into place. You can also use a piece of wood, drill a hole through it, and use that as a large spacer as well, so you can mimic what I'm doing here. I sanded down and applied 4 coats of high gloss black paint. And with majority of the work behind us, it's time to install the hardware, tighten it up, and then we can move on to installing the handle. Making a template just went a long ways because it definitely helped me speed up the process. All I have to do is just align that, drill the holes, and then I can install the handle. I'm going to install this 1/8 inch thick aluminum angle iron, and it serves 2 purposes. One, I wanted to have a rustic modern look to it. I also wanted this to give off a luxury feel as well. Being that I couldn't get the handles that I wanted, I think this kind of made up for it. And the number 2 reason is to add resistance to the door wanting to warp due to temperature change.